5 Expert Office Moving Tips to Avoid Costly Mistakes. Moving your office soon? Don't let costly mistakes slow you down. Here are 5 expert office moving tips to help you relocate smoothly and avoid unnecessary expenses. Tip 1. Plan early and create a moving checklist. Tip number 1. Start planning early. Create a detailed moving checklist with deadlines to keep everything on track. This helps avoid last-minute rush and unexpected costs. Tip 2. Declutter and only move what you need. Tip number 2. Declutter before packing. Get rid of old files, broken equipment, or unused furniture. Moving fewer items saves time and money. Tip 3. Choose experienced office movers for a smooth move. Tip number 3. Work with professional office movers. They have experience handling office equipment and ensure a smooth relocation with minimal downtime. Tip 4. Label boxes clearly for easy unpacking. Tip number 4. Label everything properly. This makes unpacking faster and ensures that important office items don't get misplaced. Tip 5. Set up utilities before moving to avoid downtime. Tip number 5. Arrange utilities before moving day. Set up internet, electricity, and phone lines in advance so your team can get back to work without delays. Follow these expert tips for a smooth office move. And that's it. Follow these 5 expert office moving tips to avoid costly mistakes and enjoy a stress-free move. Need help with your office relocation? Contact Harry the Mover today.